This is the explanation for David Roth's hanging coins. Okay, start off with 3 coins. Usually use $50. Depending on the size of your hands, you might want to use quarters or silver dollars. If you have small hands, use quarters, etc. So the first move you're going to use here is a retention. Okay, place the coins here. 2 coins on your left hand. Take the bottom coin. You're going to close these fingers. Now, this is a retention. When the fingers close, what you're going to do is you're going to simply, using the pad of your hand here, okay, expose it here. You're going to retention. As soon as these fingers close, okay, you're going to retention here. So you've got it in finger palm, right? So that will look like that. Okay, retention. It's finger palmed. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is from the finger palm, you're going to go up into the edge grip. This is the edge grip here. Okay, you're going to hold this here. Now, when you have the edge grip, you can see you can show very cleanly. See, it's actually hidden here in the edge grip. And there's a lot you can do with edge grip, but this is a great effect. So you start off, you go here. Now, you lever it up. It's an edge grip here, okay, but you take these coins, and what you do is you pretend to hang the first coin. Okay, it's gone. Now, what I do here is a little move. As you pretend to pass these from here, hand to hand, you show your hand empty here. You're finger palming this one, okay? Your hand is relaxed because you're showing these two. You're showing the palm. Purpose is just, it serves 2 purposes: to show the 2 coins and to show the hand empty. Now, as you drop here, as you transfer, okay, you're going to finger palm here, as you show here. So the purpose is to show only 2 coins and to show the palms empty. They've seen both the right hand and the left hand empty. You're finger palming here, so you want to relax. You just turn here, but like I said, it's subtly showing the palm, not only the palm, but the fingers empty. That's why you open the fingers. See, there's a lot of purposes in here. So as you're going to move across, you're going to finger palm this bottom one as you transfer to here, as you show here. Okay. Now, the next one, you're going to come over and you're going to stack these into like a double lift with coins. Then you're going to do a retention type move. Then you're going to come up and you're going to go here. So that's the last one. It's an edge, two or an edge grip. Now you do this subtle move here, which is mine. As I show your hands empty here, show this hand empty, you're coming to here, okay? Your middle finger's here. Your thumb's going to come up and block these 2 coins. Okay, this is my original transfer. Then you're going to ride back and then move those into, with these fingers here, you're going to move those into classic palm, the 2, as you come down. Okay? Now the last one, you're going to come over and very silently, you're going to put everything into palm, and you're going to do spider grip vanish. So the spider grip vanish, these fingers come up and spider in. Now you're going to pretend to hang this one here, over here. Okay, as your hand comes down, they're going to think something's here. Now you're going to do a hand wash here. As you go here, okay, they're palmed. 1, 2, on 3. When this comes back, it goes into the finger palm of the left hand. You're going to rest these here very quietly. Okay, you got to do it quietly. Because what happens is you don't want any sound, so you're going to come over here. Okay, this is a hand wash. Then you're going to come here, grabbing motion, and you're going to drop 2 here, finger palming 1. Okay, and you're going to do the first switch, which is to show here. As you're finger palming here, you're showing the palm empty and the fingers empty up here. Then you're going to palm the bottom one, finger palm, as you moved across and go here. Okay, then the last one, you're going to go up into this grip, which is gallow palm. Okay? You're going to pull the last one into the air, like that. So that's my variation of David Roth's hanging coins.